Welcome to VD Decode channel.
Hey, have you ever looked at your AI bill and just thought, wait, why is this suddenly so expensive? Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are cracking the code on unpredictable AI costs. If you're using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, honestly, any AI tool out there, you've probably noticed those usage costs can jump all over the place. Well, today, we're going to fix that. Because it's wild, right? You type in one prompt and it costs almost nothing, but then another one just completely breaks the bank. Why? Well, it all comes down to something called AI tokens. Getting a handle on tokens is honestly one of the absolute best skills you can learn right now. It's going to save you money, and you'll actually get way better results from these models. So here's our game plan for today. The hidden currency of AI. Why your AI bill climbs? Decoding the Claude models? Real-world Indian AI costs? 5 ways to cut costs, and finally, the future of AI tokens. Let's dive in. Section 1. The hidden currency of AI. What exactly are tokens? Okay, so in plain English, an AI token is just a small chunk of text. Think of them like puzzle pieces that the AI uses to understand and generate language. Normally, in English, a token is about 3 to 4 characters long. So a short word like hello is just one token, one puzzle piece. But a bigger, fancier word like artificial intelligence, the AI chops that up into multiple tokens. So even a simple question like, how are you today? Or a short paragraph is processed as a string of these little puzzle pieces. They are literally the base unit of currency for the AI world. But here's where it gets interesting and expensive. Not all tokens are treated the same by the system. We have input tokens and output tokens. Input tokens are what you give the model, your prompt, or maybe that massive 20-page PDF you just uploaded. The AI reads this all at once, in parallel. It's fast, and it's relatively cheap. But output tokens, that's what the AI writes back to you. Generating text is fundamentally harder than reading it. The AI has to write your summary out token by token, constantly guessing the next right puzzle piece. Because of that heavy lifting, output tokens are usually 3 to 5 times more expensive than input tokens. Section 2. Why your AI bill climbs. Let's talk about the hidden language tax. 5 times. Just let that sink in for a second. If you are building AI apps in languages other than English, you are likely paying a massive hidden tax, up to 5x. Let me show you what I mean. Take a super simple sentence. Hello, my name is Sarah. In English, the AI breezes through that efficiently in just 7 tokens. Translated to Spanish, it bumps up to 11 tokens. But if you write that exact same sentence in Hindi, it explodes to 35 tokens. That is literally a 5x multiplier for the exact same meaning. If you're running a customer support chatbot doing 10,000 messages a day, an English business might pay $16,000 a year. But an Indian startup using Hindi, over $82,000 for the identical chatbot. It's a huge financial gap. So why does this inequality exist? Well, a few reasons. First is training data bias. These models are fed mostly English text, roughly 60%. So their tokenizers have learned to compress English beautifully, but they treat other languages like weird, clunky overhead. Second is morphological complexity. A lot of languages just have really complex verb forms that tokenizers struggle to compress. And third, Unicode encoding. An English letter is just one byte of data. But scripts like Devanagari or Tamil, they can take 3 or more bytes per character. And more bytes equals more tokens, which equals a way higher bill for you. Moving on to Section 3, decoding the Claude models. Because picking the right tier is everything. Anthropic gives us 3 main tiers, and you really need to match the tool to the job here. First up is Haiku. At $1 per million input tokens and $5 for output, this is your budget-friendly, lightning-fast option. Honestly, this is perfect for students, creators, or anyone doing high-volume data crunching. Then in the middle, we have Sonnet, $3 for input, $15 for output. This is your sweet spot. If you're an IT pro or developer, this is an amazing general-purpose model. And finally, Opus. At $15 in and a whopping $75 out per million tokens, this is the heavy-duty premium stuff. Use this for complex workflows and intense reasoning. Do not use Opus to summarize a basic email. That's just throwing your token budget out the window. Section 4, real-world Indian AI costs. Watch out for those hidden API cost traps. The whole AI pricing landscape is tricky. When you look globally, everything is neatly listed in US dollars. But if you're a developer or a business in India, paying in rupees, that dollar price does not tell the whole story. Not even close. Indian users get hit with these hidden traps that drain your budget before the AI even generates a single token. Right off the bat, there's an 18% GST on foreign digital services under the reverse charge mechanism. If you're a young, unregistered startup, you can't recover that. It's just a pure cost. Then tack on a 3.5% to 5% forex markup that most Indian banks charge on your card, plus the ever-fluctuating dollar to rupee exchange rate. So your actual out-of-pocket cost is way higher than whatever sticker price you're looking at online. Let's put some real numbers to it. Say you've got a standard customer support chatbot processing 10 million tokens a month. On a premium model like GPT 5.5, you're looking at roughly 32,988 rupees a month. Drop down to Google's mid-tier Gemini 3.1 Pro, and it's about 11,781 rupees. But check this out. If you route that to a budget model like DeepSeek V4 Flash, your cost plummets to just 358 rupees. 358. The gap between the most expensive and cheapest option is unbelievable. You absolutely have to align your model choice with what your business actually needs. Section 5. 5 ways to cut costs. Time to optimize that AI spend. Okay, here are 5 actionable things you can do right now to drop your token usage immediately. Number 1, apply strict formatting constraints. Tell the AI exactly what you want. Say, give me 3 bullet points max, no intro, no conclusion. Controlling output lengths is the ultimate money saver. Number 2, limit chain of thought. Don't ask the AI to think step by step unless you actually need to see its reasoning, because all that inner thinking burns expensive output tokens. Number 3, model routing. Send the easy stuff to cheap models like Haiku or Flash and save Opus or GPT 5.5 for the truly hard stuff. Number 4, give more input to get less output. A super clear, detailed prompt stops the AI from rambling and saves you from costly retries. And number 5, especially for us in India, grab a zero forex card. You'll instantly save like 5% on bank fees. Section 6. The future of AI tokens. The dropping price floor. Look, the cost floor for AI is dropping off a cliff. With open-weight models blowing up, organizations are starting to self-host. If you have the technical chops to host a model like DeepSeek or Llama on your own servers, your API token cost effectively drops to 0 rupees. You're only paying for your server infrastructure. Because of this, knowing how to be token efficient and how to route models is becoming a core architectural skill for modern businesses. And there you have it. Now, whenever you fire up an AI platform, you know exactly what's ticking away in the background and driving up the cost. But it leaves us with one final thought to chew on. As these open-weight models push the actual price of tokens closer and closer to 0, will the true cost of AI shift away from the tokens we consume and onto the private data we surrender to use them? Something to think about. If you enjoy clear, structured explanations of technology, digital finance, and emerging trends, make sure you subscribe to VD Decode. Keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.